Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to make Vada Pav. First, gather your ingredients, including potatoes, spices, and pav bread rolls. You'll need about 3 to 4 medium potatoes. Next, prepare the flavorful potato filling, which is the heart of this delicious snack. Then, we'll create a simple chickpea flour batter for frying. Finally, we'll assemble and serve your homemade Vada Pav. To start, boil about 3 to 4 medium-sized potatoes until they are tender, then mash them thoroughly. In a pan, heat a tablespoon of oil and temper it with half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and a few curry leaves. Add a teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and 1 or 2 chopped green chilies. Stir in a 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, then add the mashed potatoes. Mix everything well, season with salt, and let it cool slightly before forming small, round patties. Now, let's prepare the batter. In a bowl, combine 1 cup of chickpea flour, a pinch of turmeric, and a 1/4 teaspoon of red chili powder. Gradually add water, whisking until you achieve a smooth, medium-thick consistency. Heat oil in a deep pan to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Dip each potato patty into the batter, ensuring it's fully coated. Carefully place them into the hot oil and deep fry until they are beautifully golden brown and crispy. Finally, it's time to assemble your Vada Pav. Take a pav bread roll and slice it horizontally, but not all the way through. Spread a layer of green chutney and a sprinkle of dry garlic chutney on the inside of the pav. Carefully place a hot, freshly fried vada into the center of the pav. Serve your delicious Vada Pav immediately, perhaps with some extra chutneys or a fried green chili on the side. Remember, life's too short for cheap socks, so check the description for a link to darn tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.